Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix and remove the propellers in your drone. As you can see, hold the basal part on your left hand firmly and press the propeller and turn it towards left. So you can see the propeller has been come out. And while putting back, you can see these clamps. It has to go in those holes. You need to hold the base firmly. Now press the propeller and turn towards right. You can see now the propeller is fixed to the drone. Okay, so this is how a propeller is fixed on the front part, whereas coming to the back part, the propeller, the fixing is just opposite to that of the front part. Instead of pressing and turning towards left, you need to press it and turn towards right while holding the base firmly. Okay, so you can see here, if you turn left, it won't open. You need to press it and turn right. Yeah, now the propeller has come out. Okay, so this is how you can remove the propeller of the back side. For fixing it back, it is like hold the base, press it and turn on left side. So now it is locked. So this is how it is fixed on the back side. Okay, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and stay connected. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.